Okay everyone, so today we're going to make the Fortnite egg, or I should say the Fortnite fried egg. So this is a pretty simple process. We got a lot of shit on the table, so let's just let's make some space over here for the egg holder. Alright, the Lipton over there on the trash. Hold on, gotta find a decent frying pan. Let's see. We'll fix this one up. Here that. The hot raw water running. Okay. Let that up a little bit. Don't worry, this junction has a the old thing that like crushes up food, grinds it up. Okay. Okay, so it still looks kind of crummy. Hold on. There we go. That works. Now let's throw that paper towel away. Okay. There's the pan. Sure all the shit's off of it. Since we watered it, I'm just going to boil that water right off, get the pan hot. Now, since this is the Fortnite fried egg, we have to get the Fortnite ready. So everyone knows that Fortnite sauce of choice is Heinz tomato ketchup. But the thing is, to make it the Fortnite egg, you need to, do it right. So we need to get a piping bag. So we don't necessarily have a piping bag in the kitchen, but we do have Ziploc bags, so that'll do. The pan's kind of popping a little bit because the moisture and all that. That's fine, that's fine. So we're just going to open up this, bag here. And hold on, we want to do one of these. Okay. There's that. Okay. So the ketchup is in the bag, right? So pan's on medium right now. I'm going to put it on low. Okay. So now let's get to crack an egg in the Waffle House way. You got to get a bowl, right, to crack your egg in, because you don't want to get any bits of the egg shell into the pan, or else you're really fucked. Okay. So we got our egg. Oh, I forgot. So you can oil the pan however you want. As of late, I've been using cooking spray just to cover the pan in a light dusting of oil, so it kind of goes like this. Real quick, simple and easy. So now, take the egg, border of the bowl, and just let her rip. Okay. Now for the time being, we're just cooking the egg as normal. You'll see where it becomes the Fortnite egg later on. It's not too big of a transformation, but trust me, it makes a whole difference if you wait to make it Fortnite. So I'm just getting the little egg white off of my hand with a paper towel. As you can see, the egg's coagulating a little bit. The proteins and the white are, coming together. So let's get a fork so we can go around the edges to make sure it'll lift up when we need to lift it. So for those new cookers out there, it can be really... Okay, so I need some more time. It can be really daunting to say, oh, well, I see these guys flipping eggs in their pans. What the hell are they doing with that? How do they flip flip an egg in their pan? Well, it's not terribly hard as long as you have like, well, the price of eggs in Indiana, you can get like 18 eggs for like, I think it's like $1.50 or something like that, which is pretty decent. I would say so. So the egg's nice and coagulated. Let's try to give it a little shake to get it moving in its chuchin. Okay, so now this is the flip. Okay, a little splatter there. Not bad though. So let's get a plate. We gotta plate this correctly. Okay. There's plates up there, but I, just for demonstration, just want to get a paper plate. Okay. So by this time, I think the egg might be. Oh yeah, it's probably. Okay, so it's looking a little under-oiled since it's not really moving, but okay, so it's moving now. So this is probably over medium, and you can really judge the time by the time of how long the egg is on the skillet. That's how long it's usually a good judge of character for the character of the yolk. So this is over medium. It's probably going to leak a little bit, right? So now you're asking me right now, well, hey guy, this is a fried egg. This isn't the Fortnite egg. Well, give me a minute. I'll be right back. Okay. So. Hold on. Okay. Move. There we go. Okay. So in the piping bag with ketchup, I made a little hole right there, and we're just going to feed the ketchup over there. Feed the ketchup over to the other side. You can't really tell what's going on there, but just trust the process, it'll work. So, now, make it the Fortnite egg, you gotta... And that's the Fortnite egg, everybody. You got a little extra bag of ketchup in case you want more ketchup. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.